And welcome back to the Southern Lighting Solutions Workbench. We are here with Tarek. We are talking about luster today. It is a modular downlight. But first, want to ask you folks, please go back to last week and check out our show. We know it was around Thanksgiving holidays. Hope you had a great one. We talked a little bit about an electrical solution for you, something we do on the side. They are pop-ups. They go in desks and cabinets and that kind of thing, countertops. So please check that out. But today, modular downlights. Mr. Tarek, take it away.
Absolutely. So, today we're talking about modular downlights. What is a modular downlight? Well, very simply, it is a light where you can change anything. So, I can change the output of the holder. I can change the size, style. Do I want it square? Do I want it round? Do I want a 500 lumen light? Do I want a 1,000 lumen light? Do I want to keep the size static all throughout? No problem. And that's what we can do with luster. So this is a smaller version of luster. This is your main luster. Now, what goes into luster? Well, version here, which is open. You have your die cast, which is very important. You've got the chip on the inside. You've got a reflector, and you've got a glass protecting it to keep it fully sealed. And again, this one's very important with your IP protection rating. Do I want IP20, IP44, IP65? Do I want to put it in a bathroom? Where am I using this? Now, the important thing to learn here and to talk about here is you have a commercial architectural grade light with a larger luster, and you have a more economical version for folks at home that might not have the same budget, might not have the same requirements as a more large-scale application, more high-end application. And just to showcase it, we have even a much larger version of the luster. So, you really go from small to normal size to large size. And again, once again, it's very simple. So this top piece can change. But to add to that, we go a step further in that, if you notice here it's black, here it's silver, you can have white, you can have gold. We have various reflectors available here at Southern Lighting Solutions. We even have a trimmless version. Now, in some places, some locations, some high-end residential houses, museums, you sometimes see the light and you're wondering, well, I don't see a trim. The light's in there. How are they doing it? Well, as you can see, you've got a plaster-based rim over here, which you put into the wall. You take your housing, and when it's installed, what happens is, all you do is it pushes out. So this is always inside the ceiling. This never leaves whatsoever. And regardless of what kind of output you need, whatever color you need, circular, this never changes. This is there for life. It's part of your architecture. One of the reasons that adds to this being a more architectural light. And that, modular lighting.
So, real quick before we let you go,
yes,
bringing it all the way forward, we have everything from economical to really high-end architectural stuff. But the idea here is not just about look, but functionality as well.
Sure, absolutely. So, to go on that, you see with this housing here, I'll take it apart for you. The chip on the inside can vary. So you can have a smaller lumen output, you can have a higher lumen output. It really doesn't matter. It's the functionality of what you need. But where you want to keep the same light consistently throughout the entire location where you're installing it, whether it's residential, whether it's a bathroom, whether it's a museum, it's a coffee shop, airport, it really doesn't matter. You just have so much functionality with it.
And so beyond the functionality, we can also build in certain things like lumen output, warranty, that sort of thing.
Well, that changes with the chipset.
Right.
The chipset, the driver. So you can go from, a typical 2-year warranty item, but with a long lifetime to 10-year warranty item. It really depends on what you're looking for. And there's a price point, as always, for everything. So, but don't be deceived, when we say price, it's not that it's overly expensive or not. No, I mean, it's really, we like to work, that's why we're a solutions company, we like to work within the means of what it is you have available and what you're looking for.
I got you to say it before I had to say it. We are a solutions company. Again, this is the Southern Lighting Solutions Workbench, where we come to. We haven't shocked ourselves in a while.
No. We've got a few nooks and cracks, but no, it's
we have fun here.
Yeah.
So we appreciate you guys joining us again. This was Modular Lighting. This is our Luster brand. It's great. We have a wide variety for you.
Absolutely.
We want to hear what you're trying to do, and we can find a solution for you. Again, Mr. Tarek Alemedine.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And we appreciate you guys joining us. Want to remind you all to go check out last week's episode. We have another one this week that's more of a longer episode, not broken up.
Yep.
And we will be back next week with more. So check us out then. And thanks again for joining us.